DNA of the chloroplast are called as plastidome. DNA of the chloroplast is called as plastidome. Plastidome. Then ribosomes. Ribosome present in the stroma part of the chloroplast is 70S type of ribosome. Which type of ribosome present? 70S type of ribosomes present in the chloroplast. That 70S type of ribosome that is similar to the prokaryotic cell. Then now we are going to the another part of the chloroplast is the grana. In the stroma, small green granular structures are present. Small green flattened sacs are present in the stroma of the chloroplast is called as grana. Stroma is the colorless substance. Stroma contain enzymes, DNA and ribosomes. What are the functions of stroma? Stroma is the site of dark reaction. Stroma is the site of dark reaction. Dark reaction takes place in the stroma site. Stroma is the site of temporary storage of food. Temporary storage of food. Stroma is the site of temporary storage of food. In the stroma, NAD and NADP, NAD and NADP, they are formed in the stroma. ADP and NADP, they are formed in the stroma. It is the site of formation of ADP and NADP by using the ATP and NADPH2. That are the main functions of stroma. What are the functions of stroma? Stroma is the site of dark reaction. Stroma is the site of synthesis of food. Stroma is the site of temporary storage of the food. And in the stroma, ADP and NADP are formed. That is stroma. Then another part of the chloroplast is grana. What are grana? Grana are the small cylindrical, granular and grey structures present in the stroma, that is called as grana. This is grana. How many grana are present in each chloroplast? 40 to 60 grana are present in each chloroplast. How many grana are present? 40 to 60 grana are present in each chloroplast of the cell. Grana are made up of large number of flattened sacs. That flattened sacs are called as thylakoids. Grana are made up of flattened sacs and that is called as thylakoids. Then grana are connected with each other. This is the granum, single is the granum, this is the thylakoids. Many thylakoids are placed one above the other. Like a stack of coins. That single stack is called as granum. This is the granum. Granum is made up of, that is single unit of the granum is called as thylakoid. Then grana are connected with each other. Many grana are connected with each other. Adjacent grana are connected with each other with the help of lamellae. That lamellae is called as intergrana lamellae. This is called as intergrana lamellae. Intergrana lamellae is also called as stroma lamellae. Intergrana lamellae is also called as stroma lamellae. This is the intergrana lamellae, or that is also called as stroma lamellae. Stroma lamella. What is intergranular lamella? Intergranular lamella, the lamellae that connect two adjacent grana. That grana is called as, that lamellae is called as intergrana lamellae. This is the intergrana lamellae. This is intergrana lamellae. Intergrana lamellae is also called as stroma lamellae. Intergrana lamellae is also called as stroma lamellae. Stroma lamellae. Intergrana lamellae, that is stroma lamellae, that is also called as freight channel. That is also called as freight channel. Freight channel. Intergrana lamellae connect to adjacent grana. Intergrana lamellae is also called as stroma lamellae or the freight channel. Membrane of the intergrana lamellae is called as freight membrane. Intergrana lamellae is the site of, it is the site of carbon dioxide fixation. Carbon dioxide fixing enzymes are present in the intergrana lamellae or the stroma lamellae. It PS first also present in the intergrana lamellae. Intergrana lamellae contain PS first and it is the site of CO2 fixing enzymes. It connects two grana. Then grana made up of large number of flattened sacs. Each flattened sac is called as thylakoids. What are thylakoids? Thylakoids are the flattened double membrane bounded sac-like structure. Thylakoids are the sac-like double membrane bounded sac-like structures is called as thylakoid. This is the thylakoids. Thylakoids, double membrane bounded sac-like flattened sac-like structures, that is called as thylakoids. Many thylakoids are placed one above the other like a stack of coins and forms a grana. This is the thylakoids. Thylakoids are the double membrane structures. Double membrane bounded flattened structures are called as thylakoids. Membrane of thylakoids are called as, that is called as stroma lamellae. That is called as grana lamellae. That is called as grana lamellae. Membrane of thylakoid is called as grana lamellae. Space between the thylakoid, space in the thylakoid is called as lumen. This is the lumen of thylakoid. Lumen of thylakoid. What are the lumen of thylakoids? The space present in the thylakoid are called as lumen. And membrane of the thylakoid is called as grana lamellae. Grana lamellae, where all the photosynthetic pigments are present. It is the site of photosynthetic pigment. All photosynthetic pigments, that is chlorophyll A, B, carotene, xanthophylls, they are present in the grana lamellae. It consists of two membranes, outer membrane and inner membrane, and space in the thylakoid is called as lumen. Membrane of thylakoid consists of a spherical structure, spherical oblate particles. That spherical oblate particles are called as quantasomes. That is called as quantasomes. Quantasomes. Membrane of the thylakoids contain oblate particles, spherical bodies. That spherical bodies is called as quantasomes. Quantasome contain different types of photosynthetic pigment. This is the quantasomes. This is quantasomes. And quantasome contain different types of photosynthetic pigments, that is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotene, xanthophyll, chlorophyll B, chlorophyll C, carotene, xanthophyll, chlorophyll D, chlorophyll E, all the photosynthetic pigments 230 to 250 photosynthetic pigment molecules are present in the quantasomes, and they absorb light energy and convert it into the chemical energy. That photosynthetic pigments present in the quantasomes absorb light energy in the form of quantum and convert it into the chemical energy. These quantasomes are present in the thylakoid membrane. In the thylakoid membrane, outer surface of the thylakoid membrane, this is the outer face of the thylakoid membrane, that is called as non-appressed part, non-appressed part of thylakoid, non-appressed part of thylakoid. Non-appressed part म्हणजे काय? Means that is the outer part of the thylakoid, the part of the thylakoid, they do not contact with each other. That part, the membrane, does not contact with each other, that they are faced towards they are contact to the stroma. That part is called as non-appressed part, or outer part of the thylakoids. Then this part is the appressed part of the thylakoid. This is the appressed part of the thylakoid. What is appressed part of thylakoid? The part of the thylakoids, they are contact with each other. They are contact with each other and not the contact with stroma. That part, this is the stroma. Outer to the thylakoid, a stroma is present. That is stroma. The part of the thylakoid contact with the stroma and not contact with each other, that parts are called as non-appressed part. And part of the thylakoid, they are contact with each other but not the contact with the stroma, that part is called as appressed part. Then in the appressed part, PS, pigment system first and pigment system second, they are present in the thylakoid membrane. In the thylakoid membrane, pigment system first and pigment system seconds are present in the thylakoid membranes. Thylakoids are placed one above the other and forms a single structure, a stack-like structure. That stack are called as granum. Now, what are the functions of grana? Granum is the site of light reaction. Granum is the site of light reaction. Stroma is the site of dark reaction. Grana is the site of light reaction, where light energy is converted into the chemical energy. Stroma is the site of dark reaction. Grana is the site of light reaction. Grana is the site of formation of ATP and NADPH2. Grana is the site of formation of ATP and NADPH2. This is the functions of grana. Then membrane of thylakoids contain quantasomes. Quantasome contain large number of photosynthetic pigment, 230 to 250, and all the pigments forms a system that is called as photosystem or pigment system. That photosystem or pigment system trap absorbs different wavelength of light and convert into the chemical energy. That is the general structure of chloroplast. Chloroplasts are the green plastids containing green pigments, that is called as chlorophyll. Chloroplasts are called as semi-autonomous cell organelles, and it is also called as the kitchen of cells. Chloroplast was discovered by Otto von Leeuwenhoek. Term chloroplast was first given by Simper. Number of chloroplasts are present in each cell is different, individual to individual, cell to cell. In the chloroplast cell, number of chloroplasts. In the chlamydomonas, number of chloroplasts are single. In the green cells, number of chloroplasts is 20 to 40. Then size of chloroplast, 5 to 10 micrometer in length and 2 to 4 micrometer in width. Then shape of the chloroplast is also different. Shape of the chloroplast is lens shaped, spherical shaped, oval shaped, rounded shaped or disc shaped. Hence, it is in words, it is called as polymorphic in shape. Then, under the electron microscope, chloroplast shows different parts. Outer membrane of the chloroplast is called as peristromium. Peristromium consists of two layers, that is outer membrane and inner membrane. In between two membranes there is a space called as periplastidial space. Periplastidial space is filled with a fluid, watery fluid called as periplastidial fluid. Inner to the inner membrane, colorless homogeneous substances are present. That colorless and homogeneous substances is called as stroma. Stroma contain DNA, RNA and various types of enzymes. Enzymes are required for the formation of carbohydrate and proteins. Rubisco is the main enzyme present in the stroma part of the chloroplast. Then in the stroma, DNA is small, circular and double-stranded. That DNA is called as plastidome. Then ribosomes are present in the chloroplast are 70S type. Then in the stroma, dense, flattened green bodies are present, granular structures are present, and that is called as grana, single granule, granum. Grana are made up of large number of flattened sacs, and that flattened sacs are called as thylakoids. Thylakoids are the structural and functional unit of the granum. How many thylakoids are present in each granum? There are 20 to 40 thylakoids are present in each granum. How many grana are present in each chloroplast? 40 to 60 grana are present in each chloroplast. Thylakoids consist of double membrane. That membrane of the thylakoids are called as grana lamellae. Then in between the membrane, inside the membrane, the space is present in the thylakoid, that is called as lumen. Membrane of thylakoids contain PS first and PS second. Membrane of thylakoids also contain a spherical oblate particles, that is called as quantasomes. Quantasomes are the group of photosynthetic pigments. They trap light energy in the form of quantum. Then in each quantasome 230 to 250 photosynthetic pigments are present. Quantasomes are the membrane of thylakoid, they are the site of light reactions. Number of grana are connected with each other. When two adjacent grana are connected with each other with the help of lamellae, that lamellae is called as intergrana lamellae. Intergrana lamellae is also called as stroma lamellae. That is also called as freight channels. Then intergrana lamellae contain PS first, pigment system first, and it also contain carbon dioxide fixing enzyme, CO2 fixing enzyme. It fixes atmospheric CO2, atmospheric carbon dioxides. Then grana are the site of light reaction, stroma are the site of dark reaction. In grana, ATP and NADPH2 are formed. In the stroma, ADP and NADP are formed. Stroma is the temporary storage of food. In grana, light energy is absorbed and converted it into the chemical energy. These are the structure of chloroplast. I hope, मला वाटतंय की आपल्या सर्वांना हे स्ट्रक्चर क्लोरोप्लास्टचं समजलेला आहे. जर कुणाला काही शंका असेल तर आपण विचारू शकतायत. साधं सरळ सोपं आणि तुम्हाला समजेल अशा भाषेत हे स्ट्रक्चर आहे. याच्यावर नीटमध्ये किंवा CETसाठी अनेक वेगळ्या पद्धतीने क्वेश्चन्स विचारू शकतात. सपोज why chloroplasts are called as the semi-autonomous cell organelles? What is appressed part of the thylakoid? What is non-appressed part of the thylakoid? What are the functions of grana? What are the functions of stroma? अशा अनेक वेगळ्या पद्धतीनं याच्यावर वेगळ्या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन्स विचारू शकतायत. संबंधित काही प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर तुम्ही विचारू शकतायत. मला अपेक्षा आहे अशा आहे की आपल्याला हा सगळं समजलेलं आहे. एवढं आजच्या या तासामध्ये इतकं ठीक आहे. याच्यानंतर राहिलेला जो पार्ट आहे क्लोरोफिल पिगमेंटचा तो आपण याच्यानंतरच्या लेक्चरमध्ये ते आपण घेणार आहोत. धन्यवाद.